Alright, I'm gonna show you today just the performance, not the tutorial for this card trick. Alright, don't worry, I'm gonna post a tutorial someday. Alright, let's get on to it. Alright, also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you want. Obviously, it's not compulsory though. It helps me to promote my channel. So anyway, let's get on to the trick. In this trick anyway, I'm just gonna, you know what, I'm not even gonna tell you what I'm doing. It's a secret. Alright, so in any cases, I'm gonna name a card. Okay, suppose the king of diamonds. Now what card does that make you think of? The nine of clubs. Okay, that's an interesting choice, but I'm pretty sure that the nine of clubs and the king of diamonds has no relation apart from their both from the blue deck, and they both have, I mean, they both are a playing card, right? Now before I show you what's inside the box actually, alright, I wanted to take a look at the deck. Alright, hopefully, okay, here are the spades, here are the hearts, and inside the clubs you took the nine of clubs. Yeah, the nine of clubs is not there for some reason, and instead of the nine of clubs, it's the king of diamonds. If you take a look inside the box, alright, inside the box, I'm gonna remove the card very carefully, alright, and it is the nine of clubs, and that was the card trick. Boom! I took the card in front of you and put it inside the box. Alright, there's nothing in the box. You can inspect the box, you can inspect the deck, you can inspect the cards. Alright, everything is examinable. You can even inspect that and more. How's that for a trick? Alright, and I know you like that one. Alright, so you know, let's just, ठीक है, क्या होता है, शिट, ये सफल नहीं करने का था, हाँ ठीक है, क्या, so I might need this deck in new deck order if I'm going to teach a tutorial, which I am going to teach a tutorial. Then I'll have to keep this deck in a new deck order in case. Alright, so that's it guys, and see you guys next time. Boom, peace out.